Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to create a subreddit on Reddit. First, you need to open your app. I'm going to tap on Play Store and after that open. After you tap on open, first you need to meet the requirements. Reddit requires your account to be a minimum of 30 days old and have accumulated a certain amount of positive karma to create a subreddit. Secondly, Tap the three horizontal bars in the top left corner. After you tap on three horizontal bars, scroll down. After you scroll down, what you need to do is tap create a community at the top. After you tap on create a community, thirdly, what you need to do is name, and after that topic, select the categories that best fit the theme of your subreddit to help Reddit categorize it. And next is descriptions and community types. Choose between public, restricted, and private. And lastly, you need to click create, review your details, and hit create community. Your subreddit will be in live now. And if you still have any questions, comment down below.